Hello, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to activate ILMT through BigFix. As you can see, I've already logged into BigFix here. And if you've just installed BigFix, you may not have the screen I'm about to click on here, or the option, the toggle here for BigFix management. If you don't have it yet, that's fine. It also may be hidden, so you can kind of try to drag it up. But we'll go to BigFix management and then click on license overview, the third from the top option on the left. And you can see here license overview. It shows that license metric tool is valid, but it won't be enabled by default. So you need to go and click enable here under available sites. So it's just as simple as that. Mine has already been enabled, so that's why it doesn't show that same option. And once you have that, we need to subscribe the computers to ILMT. So you can see here under subscribe computers, it shows 0. If we go back to all content, and we go under sites here on the left-hand side. So we'll expand that and then expand external sites. And then IBM license reporting, if we click on that, if we look up here for computer subscriptions, it's gonna default to no computers. So we will select all computers here. Now, if you're already using BigFix for things like patch management and you have servers that you don't want to be subscribed to ILMT, then obviously this situation may vary. But if you're just using BigFix for ILMT purposes, then I would recommend selecting all computers. Then you can go to Save Changes here right above it. And obviously that will just save what we did. And now we can go to Analyses. And I'm going to select the first row, hold Control-Shift, and select until the bottom or the last row. And then I'll right-click and then select Activate. You can also go one by one if you want to. But essentially what this does, each of them are a little bit different, but they help us to diagnose things a little bit better when there are issues, and you can look into the individual analyses if you would like under details, but it just provides additional tools and resources for us specific to ILMT. So with that being said, you are now able to install ILMT. And I just want to note here that there are fixes and tasks in the top left, and this is all of the fixes and tasks. And I have non-relevant content right here. And here we can see there's only 117 that are applicable or relevant, but we can actually find the smaller list here once we have ILMT installed. Or in other words, the actions and fixlets that are specific to ILMT. So the next video will cover how to do the install of the server or service, if you want to think of it that way. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.